Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to look at our favorite DC character, Zatanna. Ogstel! Okay, so we have here from the latest DC Heroclix Masters of Time set, our favorite character, Zatanna. Okay, our favorite variant of her is the Bombshells version. You can see here, and this is my favorite figure of all time. But any Zatanna Heroclix is a must-have for our collection, and we are fortunate that we already have her, and that she's easy to collect as an uncommon. Okay, so let's take a look at her card. Justice League Dark, Seven Soldiers, Shadow Pact, Celebrity, and Mystical Keywords. Zatanna has the Mystics and JLA team ability, and she only has one trait, which is Rewop a Kcip. Okay, which, as you know, Zatanna is a backwards caster, okay, or a magician that invokes by reverse speech. Okay, so this one is basically read backwards, pick a power. Okay, and that's exactly what the trait does. At the beginning of your turn, you may choose a standard power. Zatanna can use the chosen power until your next turn. Okay, so she does have a bunch of powers here, but you can choose any that you would need for that particular turn. Okay, coming in at 70 points with flight, and then 4 range, 2 targets, 6 clicks of life. Yeah, Zatara, significant appearance is Justice League Dark 11, 2019. Okay, so sculpt-wise, let's see if it zooms in. There you go. Sculpt is amazing. She's doing a Genki Dama from Dragon Ball Z. She has a long cape. Okay, the Justice League Dark costume with a tied ponytail. I like that. Okay, beautiful face. Although the sculpt does not give justice to the image. Take a look at that image, right? Such a sweet face for Zatanna, but this one, she became just a regular girl. Okay. But that again cannot be helped because the sculpt is really different from the 3D rendering. Okay. And I don't have the paint skill to retouch her. Okay. I don't want to ruin her. Okay. But nonetheless, I'm glad to have her. Okay. So she starts off with stealth, blades, claws, combat reflexes, and prob. So probably you can pick a power like a reducer like invincible, or if you want a support piece, perplex. Okay, so yeah, or if you want to be a little bit more offensive, you can choose a running shot, I guess, but only 6 movement is kind of not so good. Okay, so her power, if you can look at the card, okay, sorry, okay, her last click and first click are the same, her second and fifth click is the same, and her third and fourth click is the same. So just a representation of that mirroring, reverse, inverse, forward, backward power. Okay, I guess. So that's nice to note. Very thematic for the character. Okay, so he also doesn't have any special power. So what comes to mind would be the Deadpool Weapon X Iceman common to pair up with this piece, because that Iceman grants +1 attack, if I'm not mistaken, to anyone who doesn't have special powers. Okay, so what do you guys think? Which items or which figures you would pair up with this beautiful Zatanna figure? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, yab yab!